一阴一阳之谓道，仔细东来。
Single ka pa din ba at hindi mo pa namimit ang one true love mo? Then watch mo na ang video na ito. Hi guys! My name is Mommy Joyce and I love traveling with my toddler. It's our day 3 in China and today is an interesting day. Pero bago yan, here's my outfit of the day. Bongga! Bumili muna kami ng bread and milk tea sa my station. And would you believe na itong large milk tea nila ay 72 pesos lang? Comment down below kung familiar ka kung anong brand ng milk tea na ito. Anyway, imagine this. Real life Tinder and Bumble, pero parents mo ang may hawak ng account mo? This is Shanghai's famous marriage market wherein every weekend nakikita-kita ang mga parents para i-promote ang kani-kanilang mga anak na single. Kakita nyo yung mga papel sa floor. Yun yung mga pinaka-CV nila. Nakalagay dun yung profile nila like age, height, zodiac sign, highest educational attainment, properties, sahod, and kung ano yung hinahanap nila para sa anak nila. So kung wala ka pa din jowa, kawawa ka naman. Charot! Ito na yung sign mo para pumunta ng Shanghai. Nung papunta na kami sa aming next destination, may nadaanan kaming tindahan ng prutas.
Okay. Break lang. 21. I bought strawberries.
This building consists of 1,000 trees and 250,000 plants. It is also known as the Hanging Gardens of Shanghai. Nakakamangha nga yung mga ganitong klase ng architecture. Hindi na nga kami nagtagal dito at pumunta na kami sa aming next destination, Xintiandi, kung saan nandito ang mga famous luxury brands. And that's it! Follow me and join my community on Facebook for more China DIY budget travel tips. Bye!